check this now. It's Uchiwali, it's I came to rock the mic. It's like this, you ain't going tonight. This is best, going through your hat like the back of the nest. You one man in the front row won't know. He's like a hoe, you can pivot like a stove. I'm like White Bugs on HBO. So like a scribble jam, you can suck the middleman. Yo, it's like a flip flap. So it's crass, I came to rock like hash. Let me tell you right now, you won't leave with the mask tomorrow. I'll be leaving like Zorro.
Yo, it's a funny looking dude. I wonder how he gets down. But when I heard him rap, what a motherfucking letdown. This guy facing me, what a mistake. That's a white t-shirt and an enormous pit stain. That hat is a wicker basket. Let's watch Johnny Knoxville from Jackass get his ass kicked. Let's just get in my bed. You suck like the products you endorse, Mr. Lemonhead. What the fuck you saying? Get off the mic and just please stop playing.
I'm not playing, this is serious. Let me tell you something, I'ma show you why I'm curious. Like 4, I'm old school, you're a whore, you don't want no more. I'm Jim Morrison slamming the door. Inside your face, there's no way to erase. I'm in your mouth like your old damn taste.